Hi, and welcome to your ProfitEngines client portal here in Notion. I'm Hannah, and I'll be walking you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's begin by making sure you're in the right place. Up in the top left corner of your screen, click the workspace name. You should see Matt Coffey's workspace listed there. Also, double check that you're logged in with the correct email address, as this ensures everything loads properly. Once that's set, you're officially inside your portal. This is your personalized hub where you'll find all your projects, tasks, deliverables, documents, and more all in one place. At the very top, you'll see your company name. You can even customize this header right here to match your brand or style if you'd like. In order to do that, there should be a button right here that says Change Cover. You can choose from a wide variety of photos from Notion's gallery, upload a photo of your own, or link to an image on the web. Just below that, you'll find a row of tabs: the New Deliverable tab, the Google Folder tab, the Book Call tab, and the Analytics Dashboard tab.
The New Deliverable tab has a New Deliverable button that you can click, and once you click that, a form will pop up for you to fill out. This form is made for you to request a task that you want Mad Coffee's team to complete. So just fill out these fields right here. What project is this for? So put in your company name and whatever project this is for. So let's say content creation, websites, or ads. And your next field will be the title of the deliverable. So if it's, for example, if it's a task to edit ads, please input edit the $99 offer ads, or please replace the video in this set of ads, or edits for the landing page. And once you fill those out, next comes the deliverable type, and you can choose among any of these. If it's a GHL or CRM task, it's here. The ads, a blog post, a website design, a YouTube video to upload, or an AI chatbot task, content OS, or just a general task. And this will ask you what date you want this completed, what's the due date of this task, and you'll be able to choose a date and any additional details of the task that you want to mention. So if you have any specific edits for this task, please feel free to enter that here and then submit. So once that's submitted, our team will be able to see that as a request and will complete it as soon as we can. Moving on.
And the Google Folder tab enables you to upload any raw files you want to share with us. This is also where you will find any edited videos or photos from our team.
So the book call tab contains the link to Matt's calendar, so you can book any appointments that you need with him to discuss any plans going forward, etc.
Now let's explore the Views tabs. These include your starting page, projects, deliverables in both board and calendar view, your client to-do list, meetings and updates, docs and reports, proposals and sales calls, and of course your invoices. So let's zoom in on the Projects tab, since that's where most of the action happens. Each card here represents a project. These might be things like management, content OS, or AI agents. All your projects will show up here, and we can add even more cards as projects come in. Clicking into a project will show you all the tasks our team is working on. You'll see the task status, the due dates, assigned team members, and even time tracking if applicable. This is where you can monitor progress, see what's in production, and check what's waiting for your approval. And if ever you want a quick look at your personal to-do list, head to the Client To Do tab, find your company name, and you'll see everything assigned to you. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via Slack or email, and we're always ready to help.